In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Hostinger password step by step, quickly and safely. If you've forgotten your password, want to update it for security reasons, or just need to keep your hosting account protected, this tutorial will walk you through the exact process. And before we jump in, if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile. This is where Hostinger keeps your personal account settings and security options. After that, click Account Information. This will open the section where you can manage details tied to your Hostinger login and profile. Now scroll down until you find the Account Settings section. You may need to look a little carefully, but this is where the password controls are located. Once you see it, click Change Password. Hostinger will then ask you to enter your old password first, followed by your new password. Make sure your new password is strong, unique, and something you can remember safely. A good password usually includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. After you've typed both passwords correctly, double check everything to make sure there are no mistakes. Then click Save Changes. Hostinger will update your password right away, and from that point forward, you'll use the new password the next time you log in. If you're changing your password for security reasons, it's also a good idea to log out of any other devices or browsers where your account may already be signed in. That helps make sure your account stays fully protected, and that's it. You've now learned how to change your Hostinger password in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.